I thought I'd do a quick follow-up video just to show how to overcome a problem that you'll have if you're fitting either a new spring or you have to take the spring compressors off a spring for any reason once the strut has been taken apart. In the strut disassembly video you can see the spring compressors cover 5 coils there end to end, and on the other side it covers 4 coils, and you need to really have at least 5 coils covered on one side at least in order to get the compression on the spring to bring it in close enough to make the disassembly of the strut straightforward. Now when the strut's assembled it's very easy to get the compressors on 5 coils, but the problem occurs, and you'll find this, if you have to take the spring compressors off and you then have a problem getting them back on. So these are the same spring compressors as I've used in previous videos, and it's the same spring, but as you can see now it's unwound. I can only manage 4 coils with the spring compressor, and that's not going to be enough to make reassembling the strut simple and straightforward. So all I'm doing is just roughly lining up the compressor to the point where I would ideally like it to be. I'm just loosely just nipping it up so the bolt head is in line with the top of the spring. That's how the orientation works on these. Then I'm going to get the second compressor and put it as close as I can to where the first compressor was. The first compressor is going to fall off, that's fine, but I now have a reference point of where I can put the second compressor in a nice close position in order to compress the spring. So I compress the second compressor, and as you can see now, because I've compressed close to where I need the original compressor to go, I've brought the spring in enough so I can now cover 5 coils again. And there they are, 5 coils all covered. I can then just tighten that up, and then I can remove the other compressor, put that on the other side covering the 4 coils, and then it brings everything together nice and easy, and we can reassemble the strut without any hiccups. And there we go.